They're even letting the lumps on the Victoria's Secret runway. What the hell?
What do you mean?
The lumpies are allowed there. That was all.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Well, and that is actually AI that they're referring to?
AI and all these future electrics and all this weird...
So this kid doesn't even know that's in his future?
He doesn't even know that he's done any of these things in the future.
And is he confused as to why everyone's following him and wanting him dead?
At first he is.
And are the people following him and wanting him dead, are they, like...
An adrenaline-filled race against time.
I think you're on fire.
You can just ask people so. Get to New Zealand with fares like Sydney to Auckland for $159 or Queenstown for $189. It's Big Marty's on the way. Because it's not just about the destination, it's how you get there. This year, fly Emirates, fly better.
IKEA is here.
Australian Open is now streaming on Stan Sport. Watch every match ad-free, live and on demand with Sensor Court in 4K.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
On the home of Grand Slam tennis, Stan Sport.
At the University of New England, most about 20,000 students are busy adults juggling online study with their commitments.
James Blunt 50. Robert Kardashian, he's also passed. He would have been 79 years old today.
Oh,
Robert.
so there you go, Brett.
Is
In 10 minutes.
that you here?
In 15 minutes, this is Lana Del Rey.
What's up, guys? This is Sebi Chavin.
Sorry.
Oh, that does not look good.